Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding background songs to your snaps on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To do this, you will have to have the latest version of Snapchat, so make sure your app is updated before you start. You have the option to choose a song before you take your snap or to add the song after. I will show you how to do it both ways. Firstly, how to choose the song first. On the camera screen of Snapchat at the top right, there is now a music note symbol. Tap on the music note. You will now have a list of songs you can use. Find the song that you would like to use and tap on it to select it. You can now choose which section of the song you would like to play by holding down and sliding. You can then tap play to the right of the bar to hear a preview of the selected section. When you are happy with your song, you can take your snap as normal. Now I will show you how to add a song to a snap that you have already taken. When you have taken your snap, tap on the music note from the right sidebar. Choose which song you would like to use. Hold and slide the music bar to select which section of the song you would like to play. Tap the tick when you are happy with the section. Then continue with sending your snap. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.